Due to unceasing procrastination of implementing Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, which was the long-standing demand of the people of Karbi Anglong, ASDC, KSA, KNCA and ASDC YF jointly organized a sit-in demonstration at Ru Semsonsing Ingti Memorial Park, Dipu, to reiterate the demand for the quick implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. The demand for the implementation of Article 244A by ASDC, KSA, KNCA, ASDC YF and the people of Karbi Anglong in general had been continuously raising their voice every year since the last 4 decades. To implement Article 244A as per the Constitution of India, a memorandum had been submitted to Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and Home Minister of India Amit Shah. ASDC activists, while speaking to us, spoke about the deceiving nature of the ruling government. The recent visit of Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Karbi Anglong is a live example to it. They visited our district, yet not even a single word related to autonomous state was uttered during their speech.
India Prime Minister Home Minister Narendra Modi laban ke Amit Shah laban nitum bini memorandum tan nitum samiji lasi nitum han laban so India Constitution lang na ito pidak Article 244A laban ke napan chung people prab nangji lasi India Sarkar ili tuman jasmet pet naga chung thui abatai apong so jili tum theglong lo Ilitum lasi ilitum ta non bangke Karbi khai mate Karbi rata ilitum imek prang na po si jasmet pet nili kachuniri kantu.
Therefore, it is time for the citizens of Karbi Anglong to be conscious and come forward together for the statehood movement.
1986 ane kanang sun prupsi itu hime jangre Karbi tu si ini ani di town ke pamat usi jasmet pet ke ilitum matha nai chimei lain lo ahok pe dalam ka thepi lam ki la choda kalilan amithang mata chiningilo kidam tang anita ASDC zone hamprek hang chot bo 1987 ka chong ke ASDC chot makala lita ningjilo uliram no hangda.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.